Hi, my name is Wyatt. This is my 1959 Winnebago camper. I'd like to show it to you, so why don't you come on in? It has all original everything. So I acquired this when it was in perfect condition, and I've kept it that way. So the seat's all original, floor's all original, red, white's the theme if you couldn't tell. Cabinets, I love them. They're definitely of the time, so you don't have much convenience in this thing. But it's simple, which I love. You can fix everything and everything. So I have two water sources, which is unnecessary, but one is for the reserve tank and one is for hookup. The fridge and stove are adorable little matching pair of brown ceramic. The old original exhaust fan there. Again, doing as much as I can to just not change anything about it. The space is a bit limited. It is functional if you're creative in using it. So I've had to do two things. I've having to consolidate a lot of what I have, and I've also just had to rethink where I put things to make sure they're most stable and not going to fall out. So I've tried to categorize things logically. So most kitchen stuff, pots, pans, paper towels, salt, spices are up near the cooking area. I've used this space for a number of different things, but it's mostly kitchen and cleaning. The fridge is pretty spacious, and so I just put some ice packs in there to keep that cool. I can fit all of my clothing up here. Of course, it's summertime, so that's a bit easy, but a few pairs of everything is enough for what I need. The closet I have as a closet, but I've also converted some shelves that when I take all the clothes out, I can put a monitor and have a standing desk for my research. Here in the corner is a couple photos that are meaningful to me that I've put there. So this is my grandfather, is Wyatt Schmitz, and he passed away earlier this year. He was a professor and finished his PhD years ago, but he was a real inspiration to me. He was my hero, and so I keep those there. He and I were very close, and so it helps me stay motivated to keep on the path of working towards what he had achieved. And so it's a nice little personal touch. But other than those photos, I try to keep everything kind of minimalistic, down to just the bare minimum of what I need to function day to day, and keep it away so it's not so cluttered. So it's quite the downsizing, but I've already kind of felt the alleviation of my life not feeling as cluttered as well. So it's good.